So the K1 Max has made a amazing start to the first round. Let's go over to Billy O'Hare to see his final thoughts on the first round. Billy O'Hare here, and what an amazing set of events that have happened on the first round with the challenger Creality with the K1 Max seeming to win the points on this first round of this very intense match. A little bit of a hiccup from the P1P, but it looks like he's sitting pretty for the second round with just a minor little setback there. Back to you, Johnny Whiskers. Thank you very much, Billy. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any more of this exciting challenge. And don't forget, next week we have the filament section where we'll run these two through their paces on different sorts of filament in this World Print Speed Championship.